Hello, dear friends. I hope everyone is healthy and well. In this video, I will open a React file with the Tailwind framework and show you how we can integrate Tailwind into a React file and use it to design our components. First, open a file. So, I have opened my file on the desktop and I will start working from here. But before anything else, what do you need to install first? You need to install Node.js. First, let's talk about Node.js. I have already installed it myself, but this is Node.js. To get started, you will first need to install it, and then the Tailwind CSS and React framework files will be able to work on it correctly. After you have successfully downloaded and installed your setup file onto your computer, go ahead and open up the terminal window or the command prompt or CMD. Write this code and then write these two as well afterwards. I'm just worried the video might get too long. I'm only working on the React file. That's great. We don't need to re-enter it in the desktop file. And I copy this code and paste it here. So it creates my file. Very good. Let's hold on for a moment. Let's wait until you finish this loading. Very good. Now our file is ready. Let's click on it and take a look at the file. That's it. This is the Tailwind file, the blueprint file, and the React file. And these are the components and the pages inside it. Now if we open the Tailwind file, you'll see that nothing has been added yet. Let's do it manually as well. We ourselves rarely open the file unless we want to install something like Kotloplatzi and... Alright, then later I'll bring in the file name. At first your file will run, where are you? Then, if you try another file, the system window is going to show you an error message. And then the same thing will happen with this file right here. Let's wait a bit. Very good. Let me copy this one too. You can also take a picture of yourself. We install it just like this. Let's wait a little bit. Very good. After we have finished that, what do we do next? We need to go to this specific area and add its extra part into the designated Vite section. This is what all of us are going to do, basically, to move forward. In addition to their initial work, they subsequently integrated several additional files for the CRS configurations and the index CSS style sheets, along with other items listed below, which represents a very significant and major discovery for the development process. Would it be acceptable to you if we only include this specific part? Now, only the main file is what remains. Every single one of them decided to place them right over here. Let's give it another try right now. Now, let's take a look at this specific design to determine whether it worked or not. Yes, dear friends, as you can see, the file worked. Now we can freely use it within this index. We are using Tailwind designs here. We hope that everything is clear for you and that you will not run into any issues when you run the file yourself. But just please be mindful of exactly which file you are working in. If Tailwind is in a different file and you try to run and install it, you will get an error, okay? And they can benefit from this as well. At the very beginning, you might naturally run into some unexpected errors, but a bit later on, you will figure it out for yourself. Just try to keep this specific idea in your mind and attempt it 2 or 3 more times. Eventually, you will truly learn it, alright? Until we meet again next time, I will leave you in God's care. May God be with you always.